All right guys, Clayton here with Cameo Fencing. This is the Cameo Installation Skill Builder number 4. We've got all our poles set, our corners, our ends, our lines. Now we're on to marking and drilling our end post. To do this only requires a couple tools. I got a 3/4 inch drill bit with tape on it about 2 inches up. I got an electric drill, and I've got a 3/8 probably by 12 inch drill bit. This is my story pole. We've made this to make laying out these fences a whole lot easier. It's got everything you need. You really don't even need a tape measure out. The only thing you need a tape measure for is to set the height of your poles. And that's the big reason we set these at exactly 52 inches, because our story pole will work perfect. There's marks on here to mark your end post. There's marks on here to mark your corner post. And you can see in the center, we've got the brackets already drilled out of this thing. You can just set it on top and screw your brackets in. But what we're going to do, we're doing an end post, so we need to use the end post marks. The first thing I do is I will stand right in line with my fence. Once I've stood right in line, I'll mark my pole. I'll mark the center of my pole on the top, and I'll mark the center of it on the bottom. The reason I do that is so that when I set this story pole up there, I'm on the mark up there, I'm on the mark down here, and I know that story pole is right in the middle. We'll go ahead and mark all 6 of these lines. One there, 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 and there. All right, now I know this is a 6-line fence, so I'm going to have 4 strands of Cameo and 2 of the Cameo Pulse. I'm going to put a P up here because I know this is the Pulse, and my second one from the bottom is the Pulse. Basically, I don't drill those holes from this side. I'll drill those holes from the other side. They don't have to go the whole way through because there'll be an insulator that screws into them. These other 4 holes are for the Cameo, and they do need to be drilled the whole way through. So I got my drill, my 3/8 bit. We'll start on that hole right there. I'm in line with where my fence is going, so I know I'm drilling straight through. When you drill this, you want to make sure that the drill's not real high or not real low, but pretty much in the middle. All right, now that we've drilled the 4 holes the whole way through, we'll take that 3/8 bit out. We'll put in our 3/4 inch bit. And what we need to do is hollow out the back sides of these holes because our one-way vise will fit inside there. And again, I've put tape on here 2 inches up. That's all the deeper I need to go. There's our 4 holes for the Cameo. Now what we need to do is drill the 2 holes on the back side that our insulator is going to screw into for our Cameo Pulse. We'll take the 3/4 out, put our 3/8 back in. Hey, that's another thing, guys. Just buy a cheap drill bit. Can you get that on camera? You don't need an auger bit or anything like that. The auger bits are nice and they actually dig in there real good. But when you use just one of these standard bits, you can only go in about 3 or 4 inches, and you got to pull it back out to get the shavings out of the threads there. But you can use any drill to do it. Those auger bits really draw a lot of power on the drill, and you heat them up, and it just a lot of wear and tear that you don't need. So guys, these cheap bits are more than enough. Don't go buy the expensive stuff. So here we are on the back side of the pole. Because we've already drilled the whole way through it, I don't have to find the center of this pole. I know where it's at because my holes are already in there. Again, I'm going to use the end side, or the end, notated there with the E, to mark where our other holes need to go on this side. And I'll just make sure I put them right back in the center. And then I can mark this side, where my pulse will go here, second from the bottom, and all the way up here at the top. You see that? One pulse there, one pulse there, and I'm using the holes I already drilled to line this up in the middle. And guys, these holes don't need to drill the whole way through. This is just to start a hole, so when we screw our insulator in there, we're not trying to go straight through the wood. You can see here, I know they're not called threads, but we'll call them threads. You can see where the threads on this bit come up about 3 inches. If I get in there that far, that's plenty to get me started. And there you go, guys. This pole is ready to go. That's how quick it is to drill one of these holes to get it ready. I highly recommend one of our story poles. It makes it really easy to mark these things and lay them out. Like I said, everything's already done for you, all the measuring and that, you can't get it wrong. Our next step, our next video, will show you how to mark the line post and the corner post.